Start by pouring the hot water into the jar. Swirl it around a bit to warm up the sides of the jar. Turn the lid upside down and place it on top of the jar. Place several ice cubes on top of the lid and allow it to rest on top of the jar for 20 seconds.
It's too.
Remove the lid quickly, spray a bit of hairspray into the jar, and then replace the lid with the ice still on top. That's good. Watch the cloud form. Do you see the cloud forming? The condensation is grabbing to the particles of the hairspray. Let's see if we can get it a little whiter. Because then when a good amount of condensation form, remove the lid and watch the cloud escape into the air. Can you see it working?
Looks like it's raining.
Maybe if you can bring it up a little bit and the video can see it. I see some. Do you see some?
Mm-hmm.
What if we put more hairspray? Do you think it will get bigger? It smells good. Oh, that's more of it. Brayden, do you see it?
Should we put the whole bottle in?
No. I like my hairspray.
What do you mean it smells good?
Smells like hairspray. Do you see the cloud forming? The condensation is grabbing to the particles of the hairspray. Do you want to release the cloud into the air? I think we're good with the hairspray part.
It doesn't look like cherries.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. That's cool. Okay. All right, this is how to make a water cycle bag. Take your baggie and draw a cloud at the top.
Where? In the middle?
Sure. Add a sun up there too. Then draw some lines to represent water towards the bottom of the bag, about 1 inch high. Water, like waves.
Oh. I'll just do this.
You think this will help better?
Yeah.
Fill your bag up with water to the water line you drew. You can add a couple drops of blue food coloring at this point. It just looks cool and makes the water easier to see. I'll hold it and you can pour it.
How much? All of
It
it?
says to the line. Okay. That should be good. Seal it up. Seal the baggie up and tape it to the sunny window. Now you wait. This activity you set up, you leave for a bit. It takes a little time for the water to evaporate, but you can check back on it throughout the day and see the different parts of the cycle. The sun will cause the water to evaporate. You can see it start to condense in the clouds you drew. As the condensation builds up, It will slide down the sides of the back into the water at the bottom. You made rain. So now we're making rain clouds. So we filled our jar up with 3/4 of water. We add shaving cream to the top. Tilt the can up a little bit. There you go. Okay, that should be good. Okay, we have a little food coloring. We're gonna drop the water onto the cloud and watch how the water goes through it. It makes rain. As the water gets heavier and heavier, it starts to fall out of the cloud and make rain. This is what happens with real clouds. The water droplets get heavier and heavier until they fall down as rain. I start to see it. They're getting heavier. Can you see it?
I don't know why I can't just pour it.
See? Well, what do you think will happen if you pour the whole water on top of the shaving cream?
Oh,
It will dilute it.
it is.
Can you see the storm clouds coming? Like it's starting to rain? You see them falling through? You want to show the camera that part?
Can you?
Sure.
Oh, I just got some stuff on the counter.
You might have to tilt it. See the clouds and see the rain? They're getting heavier and heavier. I wonder how much it will take for it to go all the way to the bottom.
By now I'd be over the sink pouring it.
You can try pouring it and so you can see what happens. You might want to do it right there.
You do it over the sink. Alright, dirty dishes. Welcome.
From birthday cake making. You just made a birthday cake for Nathan's birthday. What's happening?
Rising.
So it's really storming underneath those clouds.
No! No!
Oh.
I can't let it. The shaving cream's going in here. Can I put it in here?
Yeah, it's a sink. I think we flooded over.
No.
Today, because it's Nathan's birthday, we're gonna inflate a balloon with baking soda. We added 1/3 cup baking soda to the inside of a balloon. Now we're gonna fill the plastic bottle with approximately 1 cup of vinegar. Vinegar's already poured out for you. 1 cup.
No, it's on the counter.
Now we're gonna attach the balloon to the mouth of the plastic bottle and lift the balloon upright so the baking soda falls into and causes a reaction.
Ready?
Wow. happens when the air goes out? Will the balloon deflate? What happens when all this stops? Oh, there's more baking soda in there.
That's not disturbing.
Yeah, some hidden in there. Quick question, if this breaks open, who's picking it up?
Yeah.
I think that's all we get out of it.
And bam! We have a balloon. If I can tie something, then that'd be great.
You need some help?
And watch. Go with
Baking soda in it?
baking soda. Bye!
Today we're going to make pennies turn green. What's something else that turned green?
Statue of Liberty.
The Statue of Liberty. First, we're going to take our paper towel and fold it so it fits inside our dish. Place the pennies on top of the paper towel. Pour vinegar over the pennies so that the paper towel is fully saturated. What do you think that means, saturated?
Wet.
That's fully saturated. Observe the pennies over the next few hours and days. You can record your observation using the free printable. How does vinegar smell? Bad. And then we have a free printable, Brayden. So you're gonna color.
Stop.
You're gonna color what it looks like the start of experiment. What does it look like the start of the experiment right now?
Brown.
And then after 4 hours, after 1 day, and after 2 days.